Dear students, today we will solve one example in chapter Issue of Bonus Shares in subject Advanced Accounting and Auditing paper 4 for class second year BCom semester 4 Veer Narmad South Gujarat University. Here is the question. Haripath Limited declared bonus out of general reserve so as to make partly paid equity shares fully paid. Later on, securities premium and capital redemption reserve be utilized for giving fully paid 3 shares as bonus in exchange for 5 shares. On 31st March 2018, balances in the books of the company were as under: paid up equity share capital of rupees 10 each, per share rupees 8 paid up, total paid up value rupees 4,32,000. Profit and loss account credit balance rupees 36,000, general reserve balance rupees 1,80,000, capital redemption reserve balance rupees 2,70,000 and securities premium balance rupees 54,000. We have to pass necessary journal entries in the books of the company. First, let us understand the question. Here company declares bonus out of general reserve to make partly paid up equity shares fully paid up. Here you see our paid up equity share capital is rupees 4,32,000, face value of rupees 10 and paid up per share rupees 8. So number of shares issued by company would be rupees 4,32,000 divided by rupees 8. So it amounts to 54,000 equity shares. Now per share face value rupees 10, paid up value rupees 8. So unpaid amount is rupees 2 per share. We have 54,000 shares. So 54,000 shares multiply rupees 2. It would be 1,08,000. Final call due 1,08,000. So to make these partly paid shares fully paid up, company needs to give bonus of rupees 1,08,000 out of general reserve of rupees 1,80,000. It means from 1,80,000, 1,08,000 will be utilized for giving bonus to partly paid up shares. Now after making partly paid up equity shares fully paid up, company further declared bonus shares out of securities premium and capital redemption reserve account in the ratio 3 shares as bonus in exchange for 5 shares. It means on every 5 shares company will declare 3 bonus shares. So the shareholder having 5 shares of a company Haripath Limited will get 3 bonus shares, and the shareholders having 50 shares will get 30 shares, 500 shares will get 300 shares, like this. So here for fully paid up shares our bonus ratio is 3 by 5, 3 bonus shares and 5 shares held by the shareholder, and these bonus shares will be declared out of securities premium and capital redemption reserve, and we know these two are available for giving bonus shares to fully paid up equity shares as per the rules and provisions for issue of bonus shares. After understanding this, now let us work out the basic calculation of the sum. First, number of equity shares issued by the company, that is paid up capital divided by paid up per shares. 4,32,000 rupees divided by rupees 8. So 54,000 equity shares issued by company which are partly paid up. So final call due on equity shares would be 54,000 equity shares multiply rupees 2, amount 1,08,000. To make partly paid up shares fully paid up, company would declare bonus amount equal to final call due equal to rupees 1,08,000, and this bonus amount will be provided out of general reserve rupees 1,08,000. That's all. And now we will make provision for fully paid up shares. Here is the working for bonus to fully paid up shares. After making partly paid up shares fully paid up, company declares bonus shares again to fully paid up shares, and the ratio of bonus is 3 divided by 5, that is 3 by 5 or 3:5. So the bonus shares, number of bonus shares would be 54,000 equity shares multiply 3 by 5, that is 32,400 shares, and bonus amount equal to 32,400 shares multiply rupees 10, that is rupees 3,24,000. And finally provision for bonus shares amount would be out of securities premium 54,000 and capital redemption reserve account rupees 2,70,000 as per the instruction given in the sum. So total amount 3,24,000. That's all. After making provision, now let us pass journal entry for both. First, bonus to make partly paid up shares fully paid up, and second, bonus issue to fully paid up equity shares. Journal entries in the books of the company. For first, for partly paid up shares. Number 1, for provision of bonus to general reserve account debit rupees 1,08,000 to shareholders bonus account rupees 1,08,000. Second entry, for making final calls due on equity shares. Shares final call account debit rupees 1,08,000 to equity share capital account rupees 1,08,000. And last entry, for final call paid by issue of bonus to shareholders bonus account debit rupees 1,08,000 to share final call account rupees 1,08,000. Now we will pass entry for bonus shares to fully paid up equity shares. Our first entry is for provision for bonus. So securities premium account debit rupees 54,000, capital redemption reserve account debit rupees 2,70,000 to shareholders bonus account rupees 3,24,000. And second entry, for issue of bonus shares to equity shareholders. Shareholders bonus account debit rupees 3,24,000 to equity share capital account rupees 3,24,000. That's all. Dear students, thank you very much for watching this video lecture. Very soon we will meet with another example in the same chapter.